Hi all! Today we are going to draw the animated character Bluey. First we draw a line for the body. Then we draw Bluey's two eyebrows. And we draw his big, cute nose and smiling mouth. Then we will draw Bluey's two arms. The second arm we draw is doing say hi. And we will draw the typical Bluey ears above the head. After the ears, we draw two big Bluey eyes. And now we make patterns for the Bluey around its eyes, back and belly. Then we make the two legs and tail for the Bluey. And finally, we make a triangle for the nose and draw a pattern around the mouth. We have finished drawing. Finally, we just need to color this Bluey character. You can use the color you like. But here we will give lavender, yellow, light blue, dark blue and black colors for our drawing. for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video if you like. See you in the next drawing video. Bye bye.